Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make dusty pink color. For this we need a container, some water, a brush, some red color, white color and brown or burnt sienna color. So let's get started. For this first we'll need 1 part and 1.5 part of white color like this, and 1 part of red color like this, and half part of burnt sienna or brown color like this, and then just mix all these colors. And here is our dusty pink color ready. Let me show it to you by applying on paper. So अगर आपको यहाँ पे कलर समझ नहीं आता है, so please watch the thumbnail color. It is the exact color I made here. So here is our dusty pink color. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.